What's up, guys? This is the Internet Income Ninja coming to you with value via YouTube. Thank you so much for clicking on this video and for your interest in this blockchain engineer position at Nodle. If this is your first time here, consider subscribing, smashing that notification bell, liking the video, commenting on the video, and sharing it with everyone you know. Let's jump into it. So Nodle is looking for a senior blockchain engineer. If you've never heard of blockchain, it's the technology behind what you've heard of the hype about cryptocurrencies. Okay, so they are looking for an engineer to work for them. Now, if you want to learn more about the company, I suggest you go ahead and press this link, this chain link looking icon image, and that will open up the web page of the company, and that way you can see more of what they're about. You can see stuff they've done, and you will be able to get a better idea of what you can use in your interview to have the upper hand over the competition. What I never said before was this is indeed an international role, and so they're expecting or accepting they're accepting applications from people all over the world. Okay, so it doesn't have to be the US, it doesn't have to be Canada only. It's 100% remote. You won't be coming into office, and so accountability for you will be up high. If you are not capable of working without somebody being over your shoulder physically every minute, this isn't for you. But if you can handle that, then great. Now, for this role, they're ideally looking for a candidate able to work plus or minus 4 UTC plus 1200 hours, working hours. Okay, so somewhere in between that range is the type of person that they're looking for, time zone wise. Now, Nodle was founded in 2017 by Micah Benolil and Garrett Kinsman as a connectivity provider for the Internet of Things. Nodle has built a Bluetooth low-energy powered network to solve global challenges through connectivity. Our network and products help companies and cities more effectively connect and collect data from their devices, sensors, and tags. Nodle gives everyone access into the cryptocurrency space without the need of prior crypto investment knowledge or data farming. Everyone can participate by using the Nodle Cash app or one of our SDK partnered apps. In more detail, the Nodle network's architecture and system design leverage what is called the smartphone infrastructure, utilizing smartphones as nodes, and hence the name Nodle. So they use smartphones as nodes and base stations for the network. In return, users and developers are rewarded with Nodle Cash. And of course, when you get that Nodle Cash, you can convert it to crypto, or I'm guessing you can also get dollars. Now, the role, they are looking for a substrate expert to join our global team as our senior blockchain engineer. This role will report directly to our head of blockchain. In this role, you will work closely with the mobile and network services, LOT teams to maintain, secure, and develop our native blockchain, or Nodle chain, as well as write tests for our chain code. You may have to develop some microservices that will interact with the Nodle chain. Now, your responsibilities are as follows. Architecture design, you may have to design your own services and palettes. Documentation, you will have to document your own work to collaborate with your peers. Development, you will have to implement your own palettes and microservices. You will write unit tests for them as well as mocks or mockups. Leadership and mentorship, you will be reviewing pull requests and interacting with your team members to make them benefit from your experience and advice. Now, they want to know a bit about you and the type of person you are, because they don't want any and anybody there. But who they are looking for, someone who's passionate about solving complex problems. You like coming up with new solutions to problems that were not solved before. You feel stimulated when you have to solve problems. No challenges are too concerning for you. You are a technical expert. You have helped build highly scalable platforms and deploy secure infrastructure. You are currently involved in highly technical discussions and architecture decisions. You will be the person that the team looks up to both technically and for strategic direction. You need to be well versed in cryptography, have a good understanding of crypto networks, and expert in cloud computing. You are nimble, or rather you are humble. You view product development as a team effort, and you foster this environment within your teams. No job is too small for you or for anyone on the team. You lead by example by rolling up your sleeves and contributing tactically if that's what your team needs. Now, must-haves: 2+ years of experience working in Polkadot and Parity Substrate. Also, 2+ years of experience coding in Rust. Additionally, 2+ years of experience working on blockchain projects. They also want you to have experience working with remote teams, 1+ years of experience working on token-based projects. You should demonstrate experience working with TDD, which are test-driven developments. You must be a fan of automation. You should have experience with Docker and containerization technologies. Great communication skills is also a must. Now, working at Nodle, the Nodle team is now a group of 40 experts in varied fields such as cryptography, or cryptography if you want to pronounce it that way, finance or finance, operations, blockchain, wireless protocols, and mesh networking. While originally founded in San Francisco, Nodle is now a fully remote company. We won't try to convince you why you should work here. Instead, let us share with you why our team loves working here. There are 3 main things that sets apart as an employer. Our team members are encouraged to experiment, try new things, think big, and be creative in a no-blame environment that tackles challenges constructively. We don't really care where you work, when you work, or how you work, as long as the work gets done. No micromanaging here, just accountability for your performance. Also, our team is very diverse, fun, and cool. So it's a casual environment, but also extremely brilliant. We like to impress each other. So, having said that, the most important shared values at Nodle include innovation, resilience, teamwork, drive, polymathy, and integrity. So to apply for this position, simply press this button and you're on your way. Because your page to apply will pop up, it will ask you for information to be entered in your fields, and it will ask you to submit your resume and cover letters. Once you submit those documents, look out for official communication from the company. Scamming is at an all-time high. I'm not saying these guys are, I'm just saying be mindful of what you click, where your information comes from, and so forth. Okay? So do continue to enjoy your day. Continue to stay safe. All the best to you and yours. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Check out all the links in the description below, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.